Dear friends, the speech which I am going to present is an oath which should motivate you to bring out the best and unknown aspects in your personality. If you repeatedly say and think of this oath to yourself with an innermost urge to change yourself positively, it will definitely increase the power of your mind directing the way towards achievement of your desired goal. Let us begin. Today, dear friends, I am honored to express an oath for you, more honored to make you the best in your life. There is another honor to be bestowed upon you. That is the answer that comes with the question, who am I? I am the best. That's right, and I need you to remember that throughout your life. I will acquire what has not been acquired. Giving up will not be my tendency. I will try what others have given up. I will always make an effort to elevate the prestige, honor, and respect of my parents. I have trained my mind and my body will follow. Who am I? I am the best. I will accept the fact that my weaknesses do not expect me to overcome them, but I will never give up. Weakness will not be in my heart. I will look to my parents who have brought me into this world and teachers who have molded my character, and I will draw strength from them. Who am I? I am the best. I will gladly go out to face the challenges in my life, and I will call, move, channelize values, and do everything that I can do. And I will be the master in my field of life and career by removing all the barriers. And when I get there, I will work tirelessly for perfection. I will destroy the evils and weaknesses, my enemies, from my heart, because success cannot stop me. Who am I? I am the best. To support me, I have near and dear ones that have been with me in good and bad times, through sacrifice, through blood, through sweat, and through tears. Never will I let their expectations go in vain. Never will I let them down. And I will never leave my weaknesses behind, because my weaknesses do not know my strengths. Who am I? I am the best. No weakness will fight back me, and no weakness will tell me who and what I am and can be. Self-belief will change my life. It has made successful men from zero and encouraged researchers for the inventions. And it will carry me through this struggle for surviving and come out with flying colors in this competition. Who am I? I am the best. Defeat, retreat, those are not in my words. I do not think of those definitions. I am aware when things go wrong. I am ready to accept, rectify, and never repeat the mistakes. I understand success, and I understand never to give up against all odds. No matter how bad experiences I undergo, my willpower and inner urge will overpower my weak body. Who am I? I am the best. Today will be that day, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, right here in the place where I am at present. Who am I? I am the best. Future will remember me, and I will not have to worry about anything. I will define myself. I will write my own praises, and no one will tell me what I can and cannot be. I will never give up my efforts without exploring and realizing my potentials, because who am I? I am the best. Who am I? I am the best. Who am I? I am the best. I will be the best, and I must be the best. Thank you.